Hope my screen is visible, right?
Visible.
Yeah. Okay. So I'm recording the session as well. So in last session we see all the visualization and some small stuff like filter. I think there was only filter, right? Sweta? Hello. Sweta drop हो गई है यार. Look is there. Hi, Alok. Yeah. Hello. I'm
Yeah, hi.
audible, Sweta and Alok.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Good morning, Alok. So in last session we covered all the visualization, right? Any doubt in visualization? How the bar chart and column chart and line chart, pie chart, donut chart, how they are working, your table and matrix is working. Hope everyone know about those charts now,
Yeah,
right? Okay,
yeah.
so just starting some decks and decks is means data analysis expressions, okay? And our group by there is our group by and merging, appending, these things we will check, okay? So I'm just starting with the just importing the data. Data was there. Was there. No, I don't want to open it. Just want to see it. This is the superstores sales data. Order, people, and return. Okay. These three seats we required only these three seats. So I'm just importing these three seats. Based on the size, it takes time. Okay. So you all know we can check our tables here, means what data we have, all the suites you can see. Okay, so we all know we have some empty rows. Okay, so we have to remove these rows first. Okay, so uh, just transform the data and remove the empty rows. There are empty rows in people as well, so the remove the blank rows. So blank rows has been removed, but see the header is column 1, column 2. Okay, we have to make it person and reason. So use first row as a column. Okay, no, still it's not column 1, column 2 again. Now person and reason is your first is your header. Okay, we are good. Now for return, there are some empty rows also here. So we will remove the empty rows, all the blank rows, and we have to make our order ID and return as header. So use first row as header. This is here. Okay, use order ID and return. Now your data has been prepared. Okay, go to the close and apply, and your all changes will be automatically saved. Closed and apply. See, there is no empties. This is your order, this is people, and this is a return. A return is based on order ID, whether the item were returned or not. Okay. Now, if I'm saying, you see, what is the report view? All the things report view, all the things in this is your data view. This is your report view. You have to, if you have to do any visualization, you can do all your visualization here. In report view, you can check all, and this is your model view. Means it define the relation between the all the tables. Okay, there are three tables: orders, people, and returns. And what is the relation between these three tables called your relations or model view. Okay, now in model view, if I'm saying there are three kind of relationship. Your one relationship is one to one, second relationship is one to many, and third relationship is many to many. Okay, we usually not worked on many to many relationship. We worked on one to one and one to many relationship. And now, what is one to one and what is one to many relationship? I'm opening an Excel. Just let me know once my Excel is visible.
Sir, one more thing. Sir, in that right side
Yeah.
page, I watched some videos. Then they are saying that in the right side pane, one fields option is there, but in my Power BI it is not showing.
What is available?
Fields, sir, fields.
Where can you show me?
In Power BI in right side.
Yeah, this is the Power BI. Just tell me where.
Yeah, near the data and properties, that type of one option, one dialog box, it will come fields.
Here.
Sir, no. The right side search is there, no?
Right side data, right,
Yes.
properties and filters and filters.
Fields also in one Power BI is showing fields.
No. Just go there. In report view, you have, this is filters, visualization, and data. This is available. Actually, there are three kinds of Power BI available. Okay, the
Okay.
first version is free. Okay, free to use. There is data limitation. Data limitation means in Excel, whatever you can do in Excel, you can do the same thing in Power BI. Data wise, size wise. If I'm saying 10 lakhs rows of Excel can be inserted, means Excel can take 10 lakh rows, so Power BI can take 10 lakh rows. Okay, if I'm saying normal Power BI, if I'm saying my CSV can take more than 10 lakhs, 15 lakhs, depends on your machine capacity. But in case of your Power BI Pro version and Power BI Premium version. In Power BI Pro version, you can insert 1 billion data. 1 billion data. 1 billion means 100 crores rows you can insert. Okay. In Premium also you can insert 1 billion data. These question asked in interview. Okay. But in free version, everything is available. Everything is available. Only one thing is not available. That is, two things is not available. That is, first one, you cannot publish your
Yeah.
data. Yeah, and in
Yes.
second one, there is data limitation. Okay, otherwise everything is available. You can see those things here. Okay, if I'm saying
In
field,
sir, what
add data fields here. See, add data fields here. Based on your visualization, your fields available here. See, can you see my cursor?
yes.
Yeah, so based on your the data visualization, your cursor is based on your Power BI version. these things are available. Okay,
Yes, sir.
but
Maybe that.
this is the plus point. Yeah, this is the plus point of Power BI, that in free version you can do everything. Means they are providing every facility to do. Okay,
Okay, sir.
you can even create your dashboard. You can import in PBIX format and in PDF format in free version. Okay.
Okay,
Now
sir.
come to the relation. I told you there are three kind of relationship: one to one, and one to many, and many to many, and many to many. So what is one to one relationship? Suppose that I have ID 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. In sheet 2, in sheet 2, there is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and the information is suppose that Ankur, Megha, Shweta, Alok, and Krishna. Suppose that these three names are there, and here everyone reason. Suppose that Ankur belongs, one belongs to. If I'm saying one belongs to whatever, UP, two belongs to Punjab, three belongs to your UP Punjab, anything, Bangalore. Suppose that MP, Rajasthan. This is just hypothetical. Okay. Suppose that these things are available. So if I'm saying one against one, two against this, suppose that this is the ID and this is the location. Okay. Now in sheet 2, this is the ID, this is the ID, and this is the name. Okay. So for every ID, there is only one entry. Here, if I'm saying for one, there is UP and Punjab. For two, there is Punjab. For three, there is Bangalore. For four, there is MP. For five, there is Rajasthan. And in sheet 2, there is one for Ankur, two for Megha, three for Sweta, four for Alok, and five for Krishna. If I'm doing VLOOKUP, there is only one entry here. Okay, against. Hope everyone knows about the VLOOKUP. Hope everyone knows about the VLOOKUP, right? So if I'm doing the VLOOKUP here, against the order ID, so every one location is available. There is only one entry against every ID. Okay, this is called one to one relationship. Okay, now if I'm saying uh, now I'm just creating one more sheet. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now if I'm saying 2020, just sorting it. This is the ID, this is the year. Just sorting it. Okay, 2020 and 2021. Again 2020 and 2021. 2020, 2021. Okay. Now every ID has two entry. Every ID has two entry. If I just want to do the same thing with here, okay, now if I'm doing the lookup here, if I'm doing the VLOOKUP here, there are two entry. Again, there will be two entry. There will be two entry. So I'm just doing location. Okay. Now there will be two entry. See, UP for ID 1 there is two entry UP. For ID 2 there is two entry Punjab. Means this is for every single ID you have two entry. Means more than one entries. This is called one to many relationship. In row you have against a single row you have two or more than two elements. Then it is called one to many relationship. Okay, in many to many relationship, I'm just giving you example of many to many relationship. People avoid many to many relationship in dashboarding. Okay, what is the many to many relationship? Many to many relationship is suppose that anyone is buying any product. Means multiple people can buy multiple product and multiple product can be bought by multiple people. This is called many to many relationship. Multiple people can buy multiple product can be bought by multiple people. So this is many to many relationship. Okay, any confusion in one to many and many to many
Yes.
relationship? Any confusion?
Excuse me, sir. Sir, can you please explain the VLOOKUP concept, how you use here?
ओके सो अगर नहीं समझ में आया तो रट्टा मार लेना, ठीक है ना, मैं बता देता हूँ. सो सी suppose that this is suppose that I have this sheet 2, okay, and sheet 1. Okay, in sheet 1 I have to match whatever available. What is the common? I'm just asking what is the common in sheet 1 and sheet 2? Can you tell me? This is sheet 1. You have ID and location. This is the sheet 2. You have
Location
ID
is
and name.
common.
Okay.
Location is common.
ID is common. ID is common, right?
Yes, yes.
ID is common. ID is common. ID is common. So whatever. So in VLOOKUP, this is the syntax equals to VLOOKUP. Okay, equals to VLOOKUP. Open your bracket. Okay. Now just click on here. Okay. Go to just click on here, comma, go to whatever the sheet you are looking for. Okay, this is the sheet 2. In sheet 2, this is your ID. Okay, just drag whatever the value you required. If I'm saying you need name, in name, this is on second column. Okay, this is on your second column. 1 2, it's writing here but it's hidden. Okay, in 2, so comma 2 comma 0. Why it's not working? Okay. It was against your ID. Okay, again. This is your ID, this is your location, this is your ID, this is your name. Okay, you have common. ID is common. Okay, so equals to VLOOKUP. ID is common, so I am going to press on ID. Okay, this is your ID here, comma, go to the sheet. From ID, drag whatever is required. This is there is only 2 columns, so it's I'm going to column B. If there are many columns, you can go any particular column. You have to remember what is the column ID. Okay, the column ID is 2 cross 2. So here write 2 comma 0 and then enter. The name is coming. Okay, got it? Very simple syntax. It has very simple syntax. Okay.
So like this VLOOKUP, how many Excel concepts do you need to learn for this Power BI?
No. You don't need to learn Excel concept. I'm going to teach you in Power BI in so many ways. Okay. The same merge thing I'm going to tell you in so many ways. Okay. In Power BI, it is called merging. Okay. In DAX function, there is related and lookup value. There are at least there are 3 methods you can do the same job. Okay. I will let you know all these 3 methods. Okay. So see here now there is no relation is not showing between returns and orders. Okay. Megha, I will write the VLOOKUP syntax. Okay, don't worry. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Don't worry about that. VLOOKUP is not that easy that you can understand in one time. Okay, but in Power BI it's very easy. You will certainly learn in a single syntax. Okay, so returns returns see order ID available here and order ID available here. Okay, but there is no relation showing in between. This line is showing there is a relation between this table and this table. Okay, this is showing means you have some relation, and if you are going to the properties, you can see what is the relation they having. See, reason highlighted, they highlighted reason, and here also they highlighted the reason. See, they have highlighted this reason and this reason. Now the table name is order, the table name is people, reason is common, and cardinality is your many to one. You have many to one relationship here. Okay, many to one or one to many is similar thing. This is just you are looking from where to where. If you are looking from this table to this table, this is one to many. If you are looking from this table to this table, it is many to one. Okay, so there is no difference between these things. So now you have the relation between this is marked by, see, this is marked by star. It is showing that it has one to many or many to one relationship. Now it also can have the relationship between two, because you have order ID here and you have order ID here, but the line is not showing here. So just drag this column and put it here. It will create a relation. Now it has created a relation between order table and return table. Now just go and see the properties. In properties, what is highlighted? Can you tell me what is highlighted here? Can anyone tell me what is highlighted here?
The key.
Order ID.
What? Yes, order ID is highlighted here. See, order ID and order ID both are highlighted here. Okay, both are highlighted here, and it's again saying many to one. One to many or many to one means they have one to one or many, one to many or many to one relationship. Now, if I'm saying if I have the relationship between these two, order table and return table, so in order table there are order ID also. There are so many order ID. See, there are so many order ID. Okay, there are so many order ID. But I don't have information which order has been returned and which order has not been returned. Right? There is no column here. But in another table, we have this information. In another table, we have this information that which product has been returned. But I want to know in this table that which product has been returned or not based on my order ID. For this, go to the transform data. Go to the transform data. Go to the transform data. See, here there is one thing, merge queries. Okay, merge queries as new. If you just want to create a new table altogether, a new table, then go to the merge query as new. But if you don't want to create a new table, you just want in the same table, you want this that information, so just click on merge queries. In merge queries, what you want to merge, you have orders and you have second table returns. You have order and you have returns. Now, based on order ID, just highlight both. Based on order ID, you all know the concept of left join, right join, and inner join, right? Anyone has any problem with these joins or full outer join? Anyone has any problem with these joins? I have covered this in Python. The same concept it has. Sweta, Megha, Alok, any problem with type of joins? Again, I'm iterating again. In left join, join, you have the whole table of first table. Means whole rows of first table. You will have the whole rows of first table in left join. Okay, and whatever available in other table, those data will merge here. Okay, in right join, you will have the whole rows of right second table, and whatever the data available in first table will merge here. In full outer, the whole rows of first table and second table will be available, and whatever the data will be available will go against them. Okay, usually we use and in inner table, whatever the common, okay, only the common will be available. Means whatever the common rows of both table is there will be merged. Okay, in left all the rows of left table, in right all the rows of right table, in inner all the common rows, and in full outer all the rows of both tables. Okay, this is the concept. Got it or not? अरे बोलो यार, कितनी बार बता चुका हूँ?
got it.
Okay, so this is the concept of the joining. Okay, so this is very important concept. In every interview they will ask what is your join, what is the difference between merge, what is the difference between merge and append, what is your join in data, and these questions are very important. In every questions, whether you are performing your Python, whether Python interview, whether you are performing your MySQL interview, whether you're performing a Power BI, whether you are performing your Tableau, everywhere this question will be this question will be there. This question will be there. Okay, so never miss this concept. Okay, so I just want left outer join. This means I just want my first table. This is my first table, all the rows of the first tables, all, and whatever available in the second will return. Okay. Now press OK. See, you have returns. Okay, and it's showing table, 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 table. Means you don't know what is coming here. So go to here. Okay, go to here and press. It's now saying what you want. You already have order ID, so you don't want order ID. You just want the return status. So I'm unchecking order ID, checking returned, and OK. See, wherever there is return, what is the return? See, it's showing here. Whatever the item has been returned is showing here. Yes, yes, yes. Which item is not returned is showing here null, 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 null. Is showing here as null, 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 null. Okay. But if any item has been returned, it's showing return. C. All the returned item. If I'm filtering, this is all the returned item. If I'm filtering, these items has not been returned. C. Okay. Any problem with the merge query? Any problem with the merge query? This is your merge query concept. Okay.
Oh, then what's the difference between merge and join? तो same ही हुआ ना merge मतलब join.
हाँ. In Power BI, there is no name of join. Okay, you will not find any join name here. Okay, you will not find. Yeah, the join is the concept of your even in SQL you called join. In Python, it's merge. pd.merge. What is the syntax? pd.merge table 1 data frame 1 comma data frame 2 and on means which column, how, inner, outer, and whatever, and there are some other stuff, close bracket. Okay, So in Python, it's merged. In Power BI, it's merged. In MySQL, it's join. So people just remember join, but in other languages, the name is different. In if I'm
So in
saying
Python,
in
what
Excel,
about concatenate?
concatenate, yeah, appending and concatenate, these are these are same. Okay, if I'm saying I have a table. Okay, suppose that I have a table. I'm showing. Suppose that I have a table this. Okay, I have a table this. I have a this table. Okay, but I just want and one more table and one
Sir,
more
one.
table. This is 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, this is ID again. Yeah. Look, tell me. This is
Sir,
ID again, and
get
this.
all these kind of data sets for practice.
Yeah. I will send you surely. Even I will send you a project also. Okay, today. So in ID 5678, there is ID 5678. Name is not the Samsung. Suppose that the name is Sanju, uh, Mahesh. Okay, uh, Rakesh, Suresh, whatever the name is. Okay, so the both proper. If you are seeing, if I'm saying, if I'm saying this ID and this is the name. Okay, this is ID and this is the name. Okay, in sheet 4, this is the ID and this is the name. Both column are same. Okay, you have data in. If I'm saying the whole data is the combination of sheet 1 and sheet 4. The whole data is the combination of sheet 1 and sheet 4. If I'm copying here, it's here, copying and pasting here. Okay, this is 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, suppose that this is the thing. Means ID can be different. Okay, if I'm copying and pasting here, it will called appending 6, 7, 8, and 9. See, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is the table 2. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is table 1. Okay, now the whole merged data is called appended data. Okay, this is the concept of append. Krishna. Hi, Krishna. Hello. Got it? The concept of appending.
Yeah.
Hello. Yeah. So merging means with any common column name, you are merging your two table. Okay. With the help of any common key, you are merging two table. In appending, you are merging two tables. Okay. There is no common keys. There is nothing common. Means you have the column name are common. Okay. And you are just merging those data. They, in appending, you are merging the data on the top of the row, right? But in merging, you are just merging the data side by side. Column, second column, third column, fourth column, and sixth column, seventh column, and so on. Okay, but here your rows are increasing. There your columns are increasing. Okay. This is very important concept. Even means in interview, people ask what is the difference between merging and appending the data. These are two things. Okay. Okay. Now, so these two things are there. Now there are some DAX DAX formula. No, group by. Suppose that in this data you have reason. Okay. In this data you have reason. Okay, I'm highlighting this reason. See, what is the reason available? Region is Central Asia, North Asia, Oceania, and Southeast Asia. There are 4 regions. Okay. If I'm asking, what is the sale of every region? What is the total sale of every region? If I'm asking, what is the total sale? What is the total sale? If I'm asking, what is the total sale? Okay, so for the total sale, you can do some function. Okay, but if I'm asking, what is the region wise sale? For that, there is one feature that is called group by. Okay, in Excel, you usually call it pivot. Pivot and group by is almost similar. I will not say they are same, but these are almost similar in your in Excel and your and in your Power BI. So go to the group by. Go to the group by. This is the basic. This is the advanced. I will let you know the advanced later. Okay. This is in basic. What you have to do. You just want to do over region. Okay. Sales, overall sales, you just want to do sum of your wholesale. Again, go to the group by. You want region wise the wholesale. Select the region. Okay, the region is already selected, but go search here and select your region. So region, new column name. It will create a column. Okay, means it's not will only create a column, it will create the whole table as well, but just create a column. I just want to name it my sales, overall sale. If I'm writing overall sale, region wise sale, okay. If I'm doing count, can I got the answer? No. If I'm summing if I'm adding the sales region wise, I will get the answer. So I have to do the operation sum. And what on over what I want to know? I just want to know sales. So I will search sales. Okay. Now this is the table and it's showing that you have region wise overall sale. Region wise sale. In North Asia, you have 84,000 means 8,48,309. In Southeast Asia, 8,84,107. In Central Asia, 7,52,826, and so on, and Oceania 11 lakhs. Okay, so in this way, it's showing your group by is happening. If you just want to do your group by, you can do the group by like this. Okay. Now, it's just what it did. It did your table a new table. Okay, miss, your table is lost. If I'm saying if you are saving, your table is lost here. Okay, so you can undo all your form. Okay, it's gone. You have your table now, but your group by function is also not there. Okay. Yeah. Tell me.
So group by is same as that of pivoting in the Excel, right?
Yeah. If you are
Okay.
doing
And
pivot in Excel.
Okay. And second thing is that if we create a table by using the group by, and after from that small table we can visualize the data.
Right.
Right. Can we add this visualized data into our final?
Yes. Suppose that this is order. Okay.
Yes.
I just want to intact this data. Okay. So I'm just taking a copy. Just Control C and Control V. Okay. Control C and Control V. You have. I did 2 times. Just delete it. Suppose that I just want to delete it. I don't know. Cannot be deleted because it's being okay. So you have now 2 tables. Okay. Now your order ID has 2 tables. Okay. On basis of this order ID, on basis of this orders, okay, I just want to do you have already a group by. Okay, I just want to do a group by. Okay, so go to the group by. Go to the group by. I'm just going to do the same thing. Okay, reason wise cells. Towards the reason wise, and I just want to do overall cells. You can take any name. Okay, this is the overall cell. Okay, this is the overall cell. Go to the close and apply. Close and apply.
Okay.
Yeah. Now you have a new table. You have a new table. That name is. Now you have a new table. That name is order ID 2. Orders 2.
That new table is in sheet number 2?
Yeah.
Or on the
No.
screen sheet?
Order 2. It is order 2. Sheet.
Okay, order
It's
2,
order
order
2.
2. Fine.
Yeah.
Order 2.
Now,
Okay.
yeah,
How to
it's
visualize?
it.
In
Yeah.
order
How
to
to
avoid
visualize order 2
confusion,
table? Okay.
Yeah.
Fine.
in order to avoid confusion, we can rename it to reason.
Right. Yeah. Everywhere you can
Yeah.
rename it. Means just rename it. Okay. If you just it's a reason wise sale. Just rename it.
Yes.
Okay.
It is a copy
Now,
of order.
yeah, it's a copy of
reason
order.
wise.
So yeah, it's a reason wise sale. It's earlier it was not earlier it was the overall copy, but you just perform some you just perform group by. That's why your whole table has been changed. Now you just want only your so you can rename. It's not the your order table. It's a different table. So you can rename it. Okay, it's just only for your easy.
Actually, you previously said that na, after group buying, your main table get lost. That's why I'm get confused.
No. Yeah, if you are doing the your that's why I took a copy. That's why I took a copy.
If we do it on a main table, main order, we will lost.
No. We didn't lost anything. We just close and apply and get 2 tables, right, sir?
No.
Yeah,
If we perform in main table, we will lost. So again, we
yes,
have to undo.
Yeah, we can do undo. I did undo also. I showed undo also. Means don't forget those things. Okay. Means this is only for backup. Okay. If you are not copying and pasting and doing your group by, your table will be modified. But you want some more function also. So that's why I just keep a table as it is and did a backup. Means I did a copy of main table. Okay. It's just up to you how you manage your data. It's just up to you. If I'm doing group by in my main table, if I'm doing group by in main table, there is only one visualization, and that is this, and that is this, and nothing. Okay, that's why I have to keep my original table as it is, and whatever I just want to do, and if it can impact my original table, then I will copy it. Okay. This problem is not with the merge query. Okay, this problem is not with the merge query. In merge query, your whole table is intact. Okay. So this is how your group by. This is how your group by is working. Your two things, merge and group by, has been covered now. Now one more thing. Suppose that go to the home. This is your return table. Okay, this is your return table. Go to the order. Okay. This is your return table. Okay, now I just want to do the same thing with the help of some DEX formula. Okay, suppose that now there are three things here. There are few things here, calculations. Can you see the calculations? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah, calculations.
Quick measures.
So, yeah,
New.
There is new measure,
measure.
quick measure, new column, new table. Okay. What is a new measure? New measure, if you just want any single value, if you want some single value. Okay. If I'm saying what is the total sale, it's a single value, right? What is the total profit? It is a single value. Those are your new measure. Got it? The overall sale, your overall profit, these are new measure. There are so many things, but I'm just giving example. These are new measure. In quick measure and new measure both are same. In quick measure you have some inbuilt function of Power BI. You don't need to remember some DAX function. Okay. In quick measure. In new column, when you have new column required, if I'm saying I just want to know year wise cell. Okay. I have to extract year. I just want to know month wise cell. I have to extract month. Okay. If I'm saying I just want to know which product is returned and which product is not returned against the order ID, I have to create a new column. Okay. So new column is there whenever you require a new column. Hope you know the concept of new means why new column is required. Hope everyone knows. If I'm saying what is the difference between our profit and sale. Okay. So a new column is required. New table, a group by. What is group by? Group by is your new table, and so many things are available that comes under new table. So I'm I just want this. I just want to do the same thing using my DEX formula. DEX is data analysis expression. Okay, so I required new column here. In new column, you can rename it. I just want to do the return. So in return, write related. Okay. What you just want to relate? I just want to relate returned. Okay. Just put here. See, whatever the return showing here. Whatever the return showing here. Got it? In merge, this was with the help of merge query. This was with the help of merge query. This was with the help of merge query. Okay. This was with the help of merge query. This is with the help of related. Okay. See, this is help of related. See, related. And when I'm going there, this is the help of the merge query. I merge two table and find whether the item has been returned or not. And this is based on my related query. That is our data analysis expression. Okay. Any confusion here? See, the
Sir,
syntax
but
is
the
very
name
simple.
of column is return column, na? Return column.
Show
You
me
can
the
rename
columns.
every column. What column you just want to see? Yeah, these are all the columns. I'm just removing this column here. This column is doing some things.
So under return, we have returned column, right?
Yeah. Yes. You
Okay,
got it.
okay.
Under return, you have return column, and we
Okay,
merged.
fine.
We merged data. We merged data based on orders and return. That's why I just wrote the related function. See, in related, in return, this is the table name and this is the column name. This is the
Okay,
table
where
name and this is the column name. It will always say, see, related. This is related. See here, it's saying column names. Okay, what is the column name? Column name is return. Return. Got it? This is very simple. Means the whole merge you are going you are selecting two table, you are thinking about what should I take, and then merging. Okay, and in this query you just write related
Sir,
and taking the returned.
okay.
This
Sir,
is
so
this is called optimization. Yeah, Mira.
I have a confusion that in DAX language you have written returned, but in our table the name is only return. So
I told you, see, returns. In returns, there is column name returned. Returns is your table name. I told you, returns is your table name
yes,
and
yes,
returned.
return is the table name, but in the columns of that table, na, there is spelling is RETURN only. But you have right or
No, no, no,
R.
no, no. See. It's returned. RETURENED. It's also showing here the table name and the column name. It's also showing here. The same thing is written here. And I did not read. I did not write. Okay. See, I did not write. See, related, comma, and it's showing what you just want to know. I just want to know return. I'm just putting my cursor here and enter. Okay. And now close the bracket. Your data is here. Your data is here. Okay, your data is here. Whatever this is the column name. This is your column name. If I just want to know, I just want to know returned item. Okay, see, now the column name is return item. This is your column name. Okay, always remember this is your column name. This is your related function. This is your return and related. Okay, so this is how you are merging. Okay, two methods. I told you with the help of two methods of merging. Okay, now there are some more in calculations. Most of the time you have to use this calculation. Okay, most of the time you are just working on your data cleaning, and this is second time you are data cleaning, calculation, visualization, these three steps. Okay, most of the time you are just moving around these three things. Okay, so now go to the new measure. I told
Sir,
you scalar value is coming in new measure. Yeah, Megha.
sir, sir, I have a three confusions. I'm not able to see the original column that name is returned. And second thing is, if I write a new column name is return item, then how I get the name merged item in my data? We get the new column or the name is merged item. Now, how can we get this if I write the name of that column is return item? Yes,
Okay,
merged query.
this is the merge query. Okay.
Merged query. But we write
Okay.
the a new column name is return item. So merged query कहाँ से आ
No,
गया?
merge query. I did two things. Do you remember merge function? I went to the transform data. I went to the transform data and merge queries. Merge queries. You remember this merge query?
Yes, yes.
Based on this merge query, what is the merge query? I told you earlier. I told you what is the merge query. Can you tell me what is the merge query? What's it's doing?
Merged query means we are
A join,
merging
a
the
kind
two
of
data
join.
sets. Join. Yes, join.
Yeah, a kind of join. Merge means joining two data. Okay.
Yes, yes.
So I told you so many times. I'm going to show you in two different or three different methods how to join your data. Okay. So the first was merge query. So I wrote those things. Okay. I I wrote merge query. Okay. I just rename it. By default, its name is different. You can rename it. Okay. So I just rename it merge query. And in merge query, you know what the items has been returned and what item has not been returned. Okay. This is the returned item, and this was happened based on the DAX function related. Got it? In
Okay.
both we are doing joining. In both we are doing joining. I just showed you two different method of joining. Okay.
Result is
It's the
same for
reference
two
result is
different.
same. Result is same, and you are whatever you are showing here, the result is same. You have two table order and returns. The first table name is orders and the second table name is returns. In orders, we have order ID, and in returns we have order ID. Based on order ID, what is the status of returned item? Okay, this was the concept. And with the help of two methods, we did this thing. Got it, Megha?
Yes, sir. थोड़ा थोड़ा समझ में आ गया मुझे.
अभी भी थोड़ा थोड़ा आया.
नहीं, मुझे एक्चुअली ये है कि आप रिलेट क्या कर रहे हो. रिलेट मतलब
related, yeah, actually related is the thing. If you have the relationship between two table, already you have relation between two table, returns and order already related with order ID. Okay, you already show the order ID is related between two. Got it? So that's why DAX is working. If I'm just deleting, I'm deleting this. Okay, I'm deleting this. I have deleted this return function and order ID. Order and returns, there is no relation between order ID and return. Orders and returns, these two tables have no relation right now. Okay, go to your table and see in the return there is error. There is error. Why there is error? Because they don't have any relation between. The related works when they have relation. They know we are connected with order ID. They both table know that we are connected with order ID. See, I'm connecting the order ID with it. Now they know we are connected with the order ID, and when I'm calling that function, they are giving me the result. Now they have the result. See, now they have the result. So without relation between these two tables, you cannot run related function. अभी समझ में आया कि नहीं आया?
नहीं आ क्या सर. ये तो ऐसा है ना कि हम वो डायरेक्टली भी देख सकते हैं ना, वहां से वो बॉक्स कनेक्ट होने चाहिए तो रिलेशन है.
हाँ, वो बॉक्स अगर कनेक्टेड नहीं है, those boxes are not connected with each other, your related function will not work. Your merge query will work. Yeah, your merge query will work.
ये related function तो सर मतलब वो मतलब ऐसे भी हमें दिख जाता है ना, वो डब्बे कनेक्ट हो तो है.
हाँ, वो आपको दिख जाता है. Okay, you can see they are connected with no. If they are not connected, then what will we do? Okay, initially they were not connected. I made connection between those two tables. Do you remember? Initially, both were not connected.
Yes.
When I imported the data, you go to the recording again. You just go to the recording again. Okay, I will share the recording. Just go to the recording again and see. When I imported the data, both were not connected. I made the relations. Okay.
Yes. You connected by drawing the line between order.
Yes. Okay. Yes. So this is how your function is. Your merge query is working. This is very important concept. Okay. Krishna, you were saying something.
Good. Nothing.
Krishna drop.
Yeah. No. I am there.
Okay. So this is how your merge query and group by is working. This is very important. So most of the time you are gonna work around these things. Okay. Now in new measure, go to the new measure. Okay. If I'm saying, what is the total sales? This is the column name. Don't forget, this is the column name. Okay. If I'm saying this is not a column name, this is means whatever the name you want to put before the equal to, this is the name. Okay. If you are creating an add column, it will be the column name. If you are doing new measure, it will be your measure name. Okay. So total sales. If I'm just want to know the total sales, so we have one more function that name is sum. Okay. Do the sum and sum of total sale. So just see where your sell.
Which measure you are using? New measure or quick measure?
No, new measure. In quick measure, you already have everything. Okay. Means in quick, there is no difference between new measure and quick measure. The only difference between new measure and quick measure, they are suggesting some functions. Okay. Yeah, so I'm not preferring that. I'm preferring preferring new measure so that you can know all the things. Okay, so
Okay.
this is the sum, and it's just suggesting what is the sum. Okay, so just click here. Now you have total cell name. Okay, you will have new measure with the name total cells. See, there will be total cell somewhere. See, this is the total cell. It will not reflect here. If you're gonna do, it will not reflect here. Okay, it should not be. It's not a column. It's a simply total cell. So go here. Okay, so just go here. Just go here. Put a card. Okay, and your total cell 3.59. It's saying your total cell is 3.59 million. Any confusion in total cell?
Got it.
Okay. Now, similarly, if I'm saying, I just want to know, there is one more thing. It was this total cell. If I just want to know what is the sum x. There is one means in sum there are so many things, but sum and sum x is important. Uh, in interview, they will ask what is the difference between sum and sum x. Okay, x means expression. You have to put your expression first, either your expression or your table name. Okay, see in sum x, it's saying your table. It's saying it's table. What is your table? Your table is order. Okay, I have the table order, and now it's saying your expression. What is your expression? Means I just want to know the I just want to know the sum of cell. Okay. I should not name this same thing here. This is the total sales one. Total sales one. Okay. See, the total sales one is 3.59. Just removing it so that there won't be any confusion. Just deleting this. Okay. So deleted. Okay. I did two things, sum and sum x. Going to again. Okay. This is total sale. The name is total sale. Okay. And this is sum and orders table. Orders and sale. Okay. Overall sale. This is saying overall sale. Okay. This is your total sale. And the column is total sale. Now I just want to make one more thing. I just want to do one more thing. New measure. Go to the new measure. Okay. Go to the new measure. I just want to the name is total sales and one. Okay. Sum x. It's saying table. What is your table name? My table name is order. My table name is order. And it's saying expression. What is expression? I just want the total sale of means whatever the sale is available. So order. Just write sale. Okay. So he's saying order and sale. Okay. Now you have two. One is total sale and other is total sale one. Okay. You have done same thing with the help of two expression. So go here and put two card, one card and two card. There are two cards. In one card, I'm putting total sale, and one card I'm putting total sale one. See, there is no difference. But the expression was different. Did you remember the expression? Expression was different, right? See, total sale expression is sum x orders and total sale sum orders. The expression is different. Why we required this thing? Can you tell me? Can anyone tell me why we required this thing?
We may have a different calculation required. So in that case, we can use sum x.
Yeah, sometimes we required a virtual table. This is a small syntax, okay? Sometimes you are creating some table inside it, okay? Sometimes you are already creating a table inside it. At that time, sometimes you have a virtual table and you don't have, means you don't want to make it permanent and just want to do some calculation based on that table. Okay, at that time you need that this sumx dax function. Okay, so this is sum and sumx. This is very important. Sum and sumx both are very important. So always remember how sum and sumx is working. In sumx, you have to pass your table, whatever. It's sumx, it's average, it's everything you have to pass. Okay. Now, if I'm saying this is the count, this is the order. Okay. This is the order ID. Okay. I just want to know how many orders ID are there. Okay. I just want to know how many order ID. See. So go to the new measure. Go to the new measure and overall orders. Okay, so you have a function count. Okay, count. What is? I just want to order ID. Order ID. Count. Overall orders. This is also I create new measure. So it will be a single entry, right? It will be a single output. And that output is called scalar output. Got it? That output is called a scalar output. So this is your count orders and order ID. Now go to your this is overall orders. Okay, this is your overall orders. Remember the column name, not the column name, measure name.
The overall order will create a column in our data, or simply it summarize the number of counts.
Just summarize. It will just summarize. Okay, yeah.
Okay.
Always your new measure will summarize and will give you a scalar output, means a single output. If I'm saying overall cell, it's a single output. It will not add any column. Okay. So,
Sir, then
this is the card.
we are using the new measure at this dashboard section now to get one calculated total sum, right?
Yes, it has a different name, so you can know the overall orders. 11K, you have overall 11K orders. Okay, you have 11K orders overall. Now suppose that if I'm saying, suppose that going to the new measure again. Okay, just going to the new measure again.
Sir, if in the dashboard window we are selecting the button, like the button count, and then we can also count the total number of sums or a count. There is also option text option.
Yeah, there are so many. Yeah, there are so many options. I will show those options also. Okay, they are very useful, but a good practice is you remember some syntaxes. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. So I'm just distinct count. Okay, distinct count. And what is order ID? With the help of distinct count, you will have the distinct count. Okay, go to the see. I'm just creating one more card. Just creating one more card and distinct count. I think the both are distinct. Both are means only the distinct count is there. Okay, every order ID is distinct.
There is no duplicate, it seems.
No. Just wait. 5,436. Actually, it was showing overall orders. That's why I
Okay.
deleted. Okay.
So
So this
these
is
are
your distinct
what
count.
is this
Yeah, you can see here.
5436?
This is the distinct count, means distinct count
Okay,
of your
okay.
orders.
Duplicate counts.
Yeah. Suppose that order ID 14010, 14010. Both are same. Both are same order ID. That's why I miss. This is just understanding the concept, how the distinct count is working. If I'm saying 11111 and there are 22222, there are only two entry, 1 and 2. Okay, there are only the count of distinct is 2, but overall is high. Okay, so this is
Yes.
how it's working. Okay, it's removing the duplicates and counting the unique values. Got it?
Okay.
Yes. So this is the distinct count. This is how your distinct count is working. Now, there are few more. There are few more. There are count and count A also. If I'm saying, what is count A? Count A. Okay. So count A. Suppose that means I don't think so any Boolean values are here. Okay. Suppose that if any Boolean's value available, Booleans means true and false value available, your count will not count your boolean. They will ignore it. Okay, so for the boolean values and for your text value, it will count your those data. Means whatever your boolean value is available, if your boolean values is also available, it will count those values as well. Okay, that's why you have count A function. Okay, got it?
Sir, how many this type of
Yes.
formulas are there?
Huh? So many formulas are here. There are
In
so many.
Excel, we
Count
have
A,
so
count
many
X, a count blank, count
formulas.
rows, count tags. Okay, there are so many. In count, you are counting. In count A, you are counting with logical expression. Means even if it has boolean, it will count that. In count A and X, you are passing your expression as well. You have to pass your table as well. Count blank. If you have blank rows, it will count your blank rows. Count rows, all the rows. It will count all the rows. Count X. If you are just want to told you the expression. Okay, so you have to pass your table and your expression. Okay, distinct count, I told you the distinct count non-blank. Okay, so everything is available. You can go and just practice with these all things. Okay, in a single data frame you can't have everything. Okay, so
No, we need to
just
recheck and re-practice all these things ourselves. Then only we can be able to understand it better, I guess.
yes. Means I'm just telling you all the things. I'm just telling you all the concept, even all the major calculation, everything. I'm just telling you. Okay, still you just want to explore more thing. You can explore more thing. Okay, whatever I'm telling you, this is more than enough, and no one gonna tell you this much information in Power BI. Mostly in Power, they are covering Power BI in 3 days, and DAX not. DAX in-depth DAX is not available anywhere. Okay. So in count A means all, I told you all the things with the so two things have been done. Your sum, your count. These two things have been done. Okay. Now come with, if I'm saying, wait, if I'm saying what is the sale, what is the means overall sale year wise. Okay. If I'm saying what is the, before that, I'm just telling you what is how average is working. Okay, how average. So you have four regions: North Asia, Central Asia, Oceania, and Southeast Asia. Okay. Now I just want to know the average sale. Okay. So go to the new measure. Go to the new measure and average sale. we can do on profit also. It's not mandatory to work on only sell. Okay, you can do a profit also. Okay, so this is average. This is average. Okay, and overall sell. Just go to the sell. This is your average sell. And again, your average A will ignore your Boolean entries. Okay, and will give you the information. And average X will give you you have to pass your table name also. Okay, so now you have average profit. Go insert a table, insert a card, and put your average profit. It's saying to 325.95. This is your average profit. Okay. Any confusion here?
This is a single output, right? So if we need year wise.
Yeah, I'm just coming on that. Okay.
Okay.
So yeah. So if I'm just saying I want year wise, I want year. Okay. Once year wise sale or everything, so you have to extract year from your data, right? You have to extract year from your data. For that, go to the new column. Go to the new column. You have to extract year. Okay. So just go to the new column and just write here years. Okay. And here also year and your date. What is your date? See, order date. I have order date. It will extract year. For year 2011, 2012, 2013, 2014. If I'm saying what is the sale year wise, can you calculate year wise sale now? Can anyone tell me how we can calculate year wise sale now?
Using sum function, sumx function.
You can use the sumx function, but you have a very powerful function that is group by. Okay, you can use your group by, but there is one more function. I'm telling you how you can do those.